Hi friends, this is Vijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll show you another important concept, that is a real-time ticket which I have resolved. That is, the ticket is customer. We are unable to clear a customer in F.13, that is the automatic clearing. Now I'm showing you the same ticket. I'm going to F.13, which is a automatic clearing as described in the header. Company code given, customer selected, customer number is given, that is 305. Just pressing the execute button. Here see, there is nothing been appearing here, no items is being reflected here. Now it may seem to you that the customer has no due against it, but no, that is not true. The customer has due items against the same. I am showing you FBL 5N is the transaction. To view the customer outstanding balance, customer and company code given, open item selected, just pressing the execute button. These many items are due against the customers. Now the question is why. Now there are two questions. First question is why these items are not being reflected in F.13 automatic clearing screen, and second question is how can we clear the customer then. Now the answer of the first question, that why these items are not being reflected in F.13 screen, is there is a configuration maintained in which we have defined criteria to clear the automatic to automatically clearing the customers, and that is maintained in OB74. I am going to the OB74 configuration. Now we are talking about the customer, hence I have chosen the account key D. D denotes customer. Now the range between 0 to 9999 means all the numeric customers, and the range between A to Z means all the alphabetic customers has the three criteria. Now what does the three criteria stands for? This is assignment. I am showing you. Going to the selection, this is assignment. Now the next one is business area probably, and the last one would be the trading partner. This is business area, and the last one would be the trading partner. I am showing you the selection here again, trading partner. So that means these three criteria, assignment, trading partner and business area, has been maintained in order to do the automatic clearing. Now the question is then what is the rule for the automatic clearing? Means in order to do the automatic clearing, do we need to fulfill all the three criteria? No. We need to any of the criteria. If any of the criteria fulfills, then only the automatic clearing can be taken place. So here none of the criteria is being fulfilled. Now how do we identify the same? Here I am pulling up all these three criteria against the FBL 5N report. I am pulling up assignment, taken up. I'll pull up all these three here. Business area, pulled up. Now I'll pull up the trading partner. Trading partner is also pulled up. Now I'll show you the report. Here I have pulled up assignment, business area and trading partner as maintained in the criteria of the automatic clearing. Now none of the fields are updated here, means as none of the fields are being updated here, as none of the fields has any value in it, accordingly these are not being considered in F.13 clearing. So that's the answer of the first question. Now the second question is how can we clear all the this customer then? The answer is, as per the maintained configuration, as these three criteria, as any of the three criteria is missing, any of the three criteria is not being fulfilled here, that is why we cannot do the automatic clearing. So we only have one option left, that is the manual clearing. So we have to do the clearing manually. So how can we do the manual clearing? We do have one transaction, that is f.32, through which we can do the manual clearing. I am providing my customer and company code here, clicking on the process open item. All these items are being shown here, and see the assignment is missing. That is why system is unable to pull them up in the automatic clearing. Now what I will do here is, I will select all of the items here, I will deactivate all of them first, and here I will pick up some of the matching amounts so that it can be knocked off. Okay, first of all I am taking the 800 amount, which is coming up in minus, then 500 plus, then 100 plus, 100 plus, then again 100. See, now the not assigned is 0. That means all the items selected and appearing now in blue color can be knocked off together. So accordingly, wisely I have chosen all these items which all are now being reflected in blue color, as they can be knocked off together. So I'll be knocking them off and these will be cleared. Then my uncleared item would be less. So I'm just clicking on this document overview button. Now I'll do the simulate. Now this clearing is being offered here. Now I'll just press the save button, so the clearing will be happening. Clearing will be posted. So waiting for the document to be posted. Document has been posted. Document 8 was posted in company code ABC, perfectly fine. Now again I am going to FBL 5N, all items, see now the open item is less, as some of the items got cleared against today's date. So what all items got cleared today's date? Clearing items I am clicking on, and clearing date is today's date. So I'll be choosing today's date here. Now executing this, all these items got cleared today. Okay, all these items got cleared today. So document number 502 got cleared, 503 got cleared, 504 got cleared, 505 got cleared, and all of them got cleared by document number 8. Okay, so that's fine. Now I am again going to the open item, just pressing the execute button. Now only 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 items are due. Again I am going to F-32 screen and checking customer given, company code given. Now clicking on the process open item. Now see, here we have 299.12 unassigned, means if we select all of them, then this is the balance amount for which system is unable to find any amount to be knocked off. Okay, but rest of the items got cleared. So now the question is, these cannot be cleared. Why? The reason being, only one thing is coming in minus, that is 700, and if we sum up the rest of the items, then 100, 100, 200, 300, 400.88 is the amount which is being appearing in the other side, which is being appearing in the debit side. That means still we have 300 amounts due. So now if we try to clear even, then also system will not allow us, as it is exceeding the tolerance limit. Okay, see, this is the message, the difference is too large for clearing. So if we clear any smaller amount like 1 euro, 2 euro, then system will allow us, as it is system can round off. Okay, but here it cannot be rounded off as the amount is large. So now the question is, then how to clear the same? Now the answer is, we have to notify our business that this is the balance amount for which system is unable to find any document to be knocked off. So this item needs to be posted. Okay, so once you post any such amount nearer to the amount, then only system will be able to clear all the items together. So that is the rule, that is the overall rule. Okay, so that's thing we need to convey to our business. So accordingly they can post their document, and if they feel they can adjust the documents as well. They can post another credit memo amounting the same, that is 299.12, and then system can clear all the items together. So it is their decision, it is their requirement. Based on the same, we will suggest them what to do. So I hope this is clear to you. This is the answer of all the 2 questions here. If it is not clear to you, then please put your queries in the comment section. I will surely try to answer all of your query. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. I will surely come up with some next topic within few days. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.